Alright, so we're just going to quickly discuss class rules here. Okay, the main class rule is just be respectful. Be respectful of yourself, others, the facility, the tools, your tools, my tools, everyone's tools, your time, other people, everything, okay? Everything. Alright, if you make a mess, clean up after yourself. If you are having difficulty cleaning it up, ask me for help. Okay? I do have a tutorial on how to clean things up, but if you don't remember, need a refresher, ask me. Okay. Do not misuse the supplies. I've seen this once or twice every single year. Breaking my equipment, stabbing holes in erasers, and painting or drawing on chairs are examples of some of the things I've seen, and it is not okay. You can expect to be taken to the office and have your parents called. Okay? That's just, yes, should not happen. Okay? Yeah, it's immature, disrespectful, waste of money, and just plain inappropriate. You're old enough to know not to do this. Okay? Most people don't. I really appreciate that. I really do. But every once in a while, I get somebody who does. And I don't appreciate that. And it might just be the mood that day or whatever. I really don't know. I'm not saying it's like a personal thing. It just does happen every year. Okay. Make sure if you are critiquing others' artwork or your own, people are the worst critiques on their own work. But critiquing anybody's art, including your own, be respectful. Saying it is bad or no good is not helpful to anyone. It insults their work and does not tell them what they need to improve on. It's really too general, not specific enough. Okay? You can critique people's work, and it's great to critique people's work, and it's so, so helpful a lot of the time. Just saying it's bad, or, oh, this really doesn't look good, or it stinks, or whatever. How can somebody improve based off of that? They can't. They can't. So it's just mean. That's all it really comes down to. And you can say, well, I'm being honest. And it's like, well, sometimes it's better to not say anything at all than say something mean. And if you do want to actually be helpful and honest, you need to be specific. Okay? It's just rude. Okay? All right. So what I mean by specific. Okay. Let's see. Where was I? Okay, if you have the sentiment that their work is bad, here's what we should do about it. Look at the principles and elements of design and see if your complaint can be fixed there. See if the line is off, the shape is off, the color is off, the shading is off, etc. So, if they're painting something that should be gray and they're painting it with plain black paint, say, hey, you should try mixing in some white to the paint. If their line is supposed to be straight and it's all crooked, say, hey, try using a ruler. Okay? If you think something's off with their color mixing, maybe they're using a bright red and it's supposed to be slightly more purpley of a red. Say, hey, try adding in one of the blues. Mix that just a hint in, and maybe that'll fix your issue. Okay? That's what you should do instead of just saying it's bad. And you know, if you're having issues with your piece, come ask me or ask somebody else to take a look. And we will do the same for you, okay? Come to class ready to work. Although I offer a casual work environment, this does not mean it's just free playtime. Respect the time, okay? I am trying to respect your learning by offering a casual work environment. It's very hard to learn art without having a casual work environment where you can work on your own. But we also need to respect that time and make it for work, okay? And then just follow the co-op handbook. That's pretty self-explanatory. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. And we will try to figure them out. Have a good day.